flat, and there is nothing at all to see. My name is Arun Kumar, and you're watching Driven Diary episode 98. Driven Diary is the documentation of my life as I build a billion-dollar automotive service business called Driven Auto Care. We currently have 3 locations in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I'm currently in Kansas, so not doing a great job of running those locations on this Sunday morning, but nevertheless, these videos are here to document what it really looks like on a day-to-day basis. And that's what it looks like. But anyways, I have posted these videos weekly for a couple of years now. We're just celebrated 2 years of Driven Auto Care's existence. And these videos are here to just show you what it looks like on a day-to-day basis. In this week's video, I have 2 days locally in California. And then I fly out to South Dakota and then Kansas, taking care of business with my apartment in South Dakota, and then going to a training event here in Kansas. So it's a good week, busy week, lots of clips to show you. Factory tours, shop tours, inclement weather, cool gym. So with all that said, let's get to the video. That's how that goes generally. So, well, we're trying here. We're shooting content in San Ramon. Alex is too busy over there to actually shoot the content. So me and Hamilton are screwing around.
This guy thinks he's gonna do his job?
How dare he? Yeah, brought the Mercy out today too. Okay. Wednesday afternoon. Okay. This is some of the densest fog I've ever driven in, I think. I'm on my way up to Lead, South Dakota. Got a driver's license and had a nice flight here this morning. Now we're driving. That's about all going on. First trip in a while. I'm going to Kansas tomorrow. Stopped in South Dakota here. I'm going to my apartment. So I'm going to go hang out in my apartment. Talk to my landlord about real estate investing in cars this evening. And that's about it. It's good to be back here. Not much to report. I can see a little better again. Good. This is dicey stuff up here. But it's beautiful, as always. We are here in middle Kansas in a 2014 Accord, 185,000 miles, old manual. This is taking me back. So excuse the very rubbed down nose here. So, we're in Wichita, headed to Salina, to the hotel for tonight, and then we are headed to El Dorado the following morning, and then we're headed to Waukene on Saturday for various shop owner activities. Andy, my good friend Andy, just lent me this car. It's very nice of him. I have this beautiful Accord here for the next 3 days driving around. Gonna be putting a lot of miles on it, which I am excited for. So time for like a 2-hour drive up to Salina, and then we're here for the next few days. It's cool to see my first wholesale dealer auction here that I've always heard so much about from Andy. So onward. Good morning. It's Friday morning, and we're here in the hotel in Kansas. Woke up at 3 in the morning. I woke up at 4 in the morning yesterday, Mountain Time, which is 3 in the morning Pacific. And I woke up at 3 in the morning Pacific on Wednesday. And then I woke up at 3 in the morning Central today. It's one of those things where when you go east in the US, I mean anywhere really, unless you're already in freaking Guam, but you go east and you continue to wake up at the same time, or you wake up even earlier, that is a hell of a test mentally. I've been in business for 2 years. We had the 2-year anniversary of Driven Auto Care this week. We are doing $250,000 of sales a month, and we have 3 locations. We get 5+ 5-star reviews a week. I wish it was more, given we're doing 60 cars. We should be doing 60 cars a week. We're not, but we should be. It's been a hell of a 2 years. And I'm sitting at this dinner last night with about 40 shop owners, and half of them recognize me from podcasts. And I know a lot of the top people in the industry. And I think it's really interesting how I look at competition. I want everybody who is good to win. I believe that most of the people in these coaching groups, some of the ethical coaching groups, are good people, and that they should win. But I really wish they made less excuses about their lives. Pretty much everybody at the table was fat. That got to me. And I wish they weren't. I can't lose weight. And I need a whiskey and 4 beers and a bunch of dessert and a bunch of fried food. And I don't know, man. Here I am, waking up early to work out and push myself, do everything I need to do in a day, manage my teams, continue to grow my business. So, yeah, pretty tired if you can't tell. That's all I got. That's all I got for now. I'm gonna get back to my very light tricep extensions after yesterday's belligerent lifting session at ICT Powerhouse. That was awesome. Where am I? Oh, the whole posing room. This is sick. 80 degrees, dripping with sweat the whole time. My nose is very red from how much I was mopping sweat. That's all for now. Welcome to Western Kansas, where the streets are straight, the ground is flat, and there is nothing at all to see. Saturday morning, and I'm driving my Accord coupe. We're going from Salina, Kansas to Waukene, Kansas. It's about 120 miles, I think, 140 miles maybe, and it's a long way, and it's a very straight road, and all I can do, cruise control at 84 miles an hour, you know, work my way through the slower traffic, get out of the way of the faster traffic, enjoy the sights, listen to podcasts. This is nice. It's definitely like a mental hygiene time where I'm getting to sit and just not do very much with my brain, which is great. I had a big headache for most of yesterday. I had slept about 15 hours in 3 days, I think. So not very much sleep, 5 hours a night for 3 nights in a row. Had a headache. I slept 3 hours last evening from 4:30 to 7:30, got up, did my second workout, worked for a couple hours. I was back in bed, falling asleep around 11. Supposed to wake up at 5, do a workout, have a nice slow morning routine before convening for breakfast at 7 with the group here. I ended up sleeping until 6:30 and then not meeting everybody for breakfast and doing my own thing until hitting the road this morning. So I'm excited to go on this shop tour in Waukene, Old 40 Auto Care. You saw tons of clips from BG yesterday. I look forward to implementing their products in our shops. We already have their products in our shops. I just am not good at developing the strategy to sell it, so gotta improve that. But yeah, that's what we got going on right now. Probably gonna pull over here in a second, get some truck stop snacks and hit the bathroom and keep on trucking. Got about an hour drive left. That's all for now. Sunday morning from sunny Salina, Kansas. Driving back to Hutchinson today, dropping off my not new, I don't own it, nope. My Accord loaner car back to Andy. He's gonna bring me to the airport. I'm gonna fly home, land at 3, get to the manager meeting in San Ramon by 4. It's gonna be a long day, but a good day, very good day. And this will probably be the last clip for Driven Diary 98. So it's been a good week. different kind of week for sure. All this travel. You saw BG Factory, you saw shop tour, shop audit. Good week of improving upon being a shop owner, understanding the automotive industry, and sweating in hot and humid Kansas. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like so we can show up higher in the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below so that I can freaking answer your comment, I guess. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's Driven Diary. So, until next week, I hope you can go out and continue to build your own automotive dreams and stay driven.